So I'm at my new job and I like it so far. It's cool, it's chill, the people coming here cool. I wish I would have just got this interaction I just had with one of the customers. That was pretty cool. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the inside of, you know, the online shopper doing it for a store, because you know I do it for Walmart, Spark, and what is it called, Instacart. But I'm gonna show y'all, I actually have a job now doing it. It's called e-commerce, and so that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to get a job that aligns with what I do already, and you know, get paid by the hour to do it. I get paid pretty good, more than what I was making as a liquor manager actually to do this. And I'll be updating y'all. That will be my next video, showing y'all like the insides of the e-commerce on the other side, you know, of it. I've showed you the driver's side. Now I'll show you on the other side of the people that's actually in the store that does this, you know, for customers. So that's my next video. So I didn't quit gig work and I didn't replace it either. I added an in-store shopper job at Safeway on purpose, guys. Today I'm breaking down why I do both and how they're different, and how this combo actually makes me more money with less stress. So I'm training. I'm new on this job. This is my trainer. So if you guys are new here, I am Sharon from Life by Sharon B. I share real ways to make money through gig work jobs and now AI tools, without hype and without pretending everything is perfect, because it is definitely not perfect. So I am on the job training right now. So if you do Walmart, Spark, Instacart, DoorDash, Uber Eats, or you're just thinking about an in-store shopper job, this video is for you. And this is what my in-store shopper job is like. Like I said, I am new to it. I'm just training right now, and I will later do some orders myself, but I didn't get to record that much. So let's start with my new position as an e-commerce in-store shopper at Safeway. This is very different from Spark or Instacart because I'm not using my car. I'm inside the store the whole time, picking, packing, staging orders, and even bringing them out to the car. So the key difference are guaranteed hourly pay, scheduled shifts, so you don't have to worry about gas, no wear and tear on your car, less decisions and less fatigue. I clock in, I work, I clock out. I know exactly what I'm making that day. For me, that's stability. That matters to me, especially in this economy. So what gigs apps are still good for now? Let's talk about gig apps, because I'm still doing them. Walmart, Spark, Instacart, DoorDash, Uber Eats. These apps are great for fast money, gig work strengths, same day or next day pay, flexible hours, higher earning days, doing promos, and you know, like the holiday times, you can make pretty good doing that. And it's easy to scale up or down. But let's be honest, gig work can be unappreciable. And when I come back, guys, I already did it yesterday, but I'm gonna be doing the order earlier. That was my trainer, because I'm still in training. They actually give you training here. Fry's, when I worked there as a liquor manager, they just threw me in that position. They didn't have training, they didn't have anything. But here, I love it. They got actual training, and they're training you, and it's 5 days. So when I come back, I'm gonna be doing, they call it picking. I'm gonna be doing the picking, doing some orders. So hopefully I get some of that and everything. I like this store. It's pretty cool. It's brand new, and like around here is so much stuff that you know. At Fry's, I just had you couldn't even go outside. You couldn't go outside. They didn't want you to take a break outside of the building. I did not like that. But here, it's so much nice stuff around here. I'm gonna show you you know, and they still building up because this is a brand new shopping center. But gig work, you get higher earning days during promos. It's easy to scale up or down, but let's be honest, gig work can be unpredictable. One day is great, the next day is slow, and your car pays the price. So here's the part people miss. I'm not choosing one or the other. I'm combining them. My in-store job gives me a stable base. My gig app gives me flexibility and boosts how I personally use them. In-store job equals guaranteed income. Gig apps, extra money on days off. And, you know, the gig apps fill gaps after shifts, promo days. Only this way, I'm not burnt out, not stressed, and not relying on just one income stream. Doing only gig work can burn you out. Doing only hourly work can cap your income, but doing both gives you control. I'm not chasing orders all day anymore, and I'm also not stuck waiting for payday. So this setup works if you want stability without giving up flexibility, less car wear but still fast money, a backup plan if one stream slows down, if one income stream slows down, especially if you're over 40, managing a household, or just, you know, tired of hustling non-stop. I'll be sharing updates on both pace schedules, stress levels, and what actually worth it. So if this helped you, hit the like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Are you team hourly pay, gig apps, or both? Let me know. I want to hear your situation. If you want more videos like this about in-store shopper, hourly pay, drop a comment down below, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.